What's all this talk about the economy? It's strong, it's weak. What's it even mean? The economy is basically the flow of money, and it goes in a circle. We all play a part. Businesses sell products and pay wages. People earn wages and buy products. The state of the economy influences how easily you can get a job, what you'll earn, and even how much your next phone will cost. We measure how the UK economy is doing by its GDP, Gross Domestic Product. That's the total of all the spending and investment happening in the UK. When the GDP goes up, it shows spending has gone up and the economy has grown. Businesses are doing well, so it's easy for you to find a job and earn good money. The economy is considered healthy or strong, and consumer confidence, our belief in the economy, is up. Economies are designed to grow a little each year. But if growth is very slow, the economy is called weak. When spending drops, businesses cut back and unemployment rises. That new job now doesn't seem so secure, and you might start saving more than spending as you're less certain of the future. This can sometimes spiral into a recession, where the economy shrinks for more than 6 months in a row. And that's what happened in the 2020 pandemic when we all stopped going out and spending. The Bank of England tries to stimulate growth in a recession by lowering interest rates. This boosts spending because you're more likely to buy that new phone when it's cheap to borrow. But the economy can also grow too fast. When spending increases faster than the production of goods, supply can't keep up with demand. This causes price rises, inflation. To slow growth, the Bank of England can raise interest rates. When borrowing is expensive, we spend less. As you can see, the economy is a complex beast, and experts, economists, spend their lives studying it. But by keeping one eye on the headlines, we can have a good idea of how things are going.